Hi guys, welcome to my blog. This is Filipino Record TV from Philippines. So today's video is I'm going to show you what I got for from my daughter. So, and this, flower, flower. It's actually made from my niece, and she gave it to me. Angel gave it to me. She bought it from her, I think. And I'm so grateful and thankful to Angel to have these thoughts and showing her love for mommy, Filipino Record TV, for Valentine's gift. Diba? May pa-flower tayo guys. I'm so happy talaga. And what's the most important is the thought that she have for me. You know, kahit na medyo pasaway, minsan pasaway si Angel, even though sometimes she's little naughty girl. So I just so happy and thankful, and thank you Angel. I know for sure you're gonna watch this video. I love you. Mommy always there for you, and Kuya also. Kuya don't have gift for mommy, but it's okay. They are both here yesterday for Valentine's Day, and by the way, happy Valentine's Day to all, and may your family happy always and full of love, and always treasure whatever you have in your family, and respect one another, love each other, and yeah, and just do your best, not just by giving gift, but also be there for them physically, all right, not just by words, but you know um yeah, emotionally and mentally, always there for your family. So but this one, I very much appreciated to my daughter that she gave this. I'm so happy. Bye guys, like and share and subscribe Filipino Record TV. Comment below guys, what do you think about my daughter's gift for my Valentine's Day. Bye everyone, thank you for watching.